Hey there, friends. Now imagine a world 1,000 years from now. What will it look like? Will the familiar landscapes we cherish still thrive? And perhaps the most profound question of all, will humanity still call this planet home? For millennia, our planet has sustained us. But the choices we make today ripple across generations. In 1,000 years, the survival of humanity hinges on how well we've understood our place in this intricate ecosystem. We're talking about more than just technology. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we live, interact, and innovate. In this captivating exploration, we'll delve into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, the innovations that can pave the way for a brighter future, and the profound impact our decisions have on the world of tomorrow. The path to 1,000 years of survival is not without its trials. Climate change, resource depletion, and biodiversity loss are not distant threats, but present realities that demand our collective attention. How will rising temperatures affect our food supply? Can our oceans recover from centuries of pollution? Will we adapt to a changing climate, or will it overwhelm us? But within every challenge lies an opportunity. Humanity has always been defined by its ability to adapt, to innovate, and to come together. From groundbreaking scientific discoveries to grassroots community movements, the seeds of a resilient future are already being sown. We're seeing remarkable progress in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and the development of technologies that work with nature, not against it. And what about our planet's health? Well, that's in our hands too. If we embrace change and innovation, we can paint a different picture. What if our cities become havens of greenery, not just for 1,000 years, but for eternity? Picture this: lush vertical forests adorning skyscrapers, rooftop gardens transforming concrete jungles into vibrant oases, and sprawling green roofs replacing traditional rooftops. Imagine a world where drones monitor forest health, where vertical farms in every urban center provide fresh produce, where smart grids manage our energy needs efficiently, and where solar farms seamlessly blend into their surroundings. What if we travel in a manner that respects our planet? High-speed rail networks whisk us away through scenic landscapes, while electric aerial vehicles glide silently over nature reserves. Even the bustling streets of megacities hum with the quiet efficiency of driverless public transport. These aren't just dreams. They're visions of what's possible if we choose sustainability and innovation. Most importantly, let's talk about the heart of our planet's health, its people. If we invest in education, empower communities, and foster global cooperation, we can build a world where everyone understands the value of environmental stewardship, where children grow up learning about nature's wonders, where local communities take pride in restoring ecosystems, and where cultures worldwide unite in their commitment to a healthier planet. What if we tap into the ingenuity of future generations? Young minds armed with knowledge and tools can become the architects of a sustainable world. Imagine classrooms that open onto living walls, schools that harness solar energy, and universities at the forefront of green technology, nurturing innovators who will shape the next millennium. This isn't about sounding alarm bells. It's about igniting a spark of inspiration. Just as our ancestors left a legacy for us, it's our responsibility to leave a thriving planet for future generations. And the best part, we have the power to do it today. You see, the story of the next 1,000 years is not written in stone. It's a canvas upon which we can paint our vision for the future. And the colors we choose are in our hands. Will they be the vibrant hues of innovation, sustainability, and unity, or the somber shades of neglect and division? That choice, my friends, is ours. So let us embark on this journey of discovery together. Let's explore the challenges that lie ahead and the incredible solutions that are within our reach. Because the truth is, the planet in 1,000 years doesn't have to be a distant worry. It's a present reality waiting for us to shape it. It's a call to action, a call to protect and preserve, and ultimately, a call to hope for a better tomorrow. Every sunrise over vast, untouched wilderness, every solar panel gracefully integrated into a roofline, every electric vehicle gliding through city streets are testaments to our commitment to this extraordinary journey. Are you ready to be a part of this incredible adventure? Are you eager to witness firsthand the remarkable transformations that await us in the next 1,000 years? If so, I invite you to stay tuned because together we'll explore the intricate tapestry of challenges and triumphs that will define our path forward. Don't miss out on the opportunity to shape the narrative of our shared future. Together, we can ensure that the planet not only survives, but thrives for generations to come. Imagine a world 1,000 years from now. Will the Earth still be our home? The answer, my friends, is in our hands today. Every decision, every innovation, every conversation about our future matters. Let's work together, starting now, to ensure humanity not only survives, but flourishes for another millennium in harmony with the extraordinary world we call home. You might be wondering why I've chosen to explore the concept of the planet in 1,000 years. It's because we stand at a pivotal moment in history. The challenges we face today, from climate change to resource depletion, are not merely headlines, they're wake-up calls. But instead of succumbing to despair, I want to ignite a spark of possibility. What if instead of fearing the future, we began to sculpt it? What if the next 1,000 years became a testament to human resilience, innovation, and unity? By envisioning a future that is both challenging and hopeful, we can inspire action today. We can motivate ourselves to make the changes needed to protect our planet. My goal is not to paint a false picture of utopia, but to hold up a mirror to our potential. If we invest in green technologies, if we empower future generations with knowledge, if we foster global cooperation, the next 1,000 years could indeed be a golden era for humanity. It's about igniting that spark of imagination, that belief that we can change the course of our future. Now I want to hear from you. What do you see when you imagine the planet 1,000 years from now? What hopes and dreams do you have for our shared future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation that inspires action, that builds a movement towards a better tomorrow. Remember, the future is not set in stone. It's a canvas upon which we can paint our dreams. And with every brushstroke, we bring those dreams closer to reality. Before we part ways, I have a simple yet profound question for you. What will you do to make the planet a better place for the next 1,000 years? Your actions, no matter how small they may seem, are threads in the tapestry of our shared future. And together, we can weave a future that's not only sustainable, but thriving. If you found this journey through the planet in 1,000 years insightful, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and inspires us to continue creating thought-provoking content. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey through time. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep innovating, and above all, keep believing in the power of humanity to shape a brighter future for the next 1,000 years. As the sun sets over another day, may it remind you that even in the darkest moments, there is beauty to be found. Look closely at the play of colors in the sky, the gentle sway of trees in the evening breeze, and the twinkling stars beginning their nightly dance. These moments of tranquility are invitations to pause, to reflect, and to find solace in the rhythms of nature. I encourage you to carry this sense of wonder with you as you navigate the complexities of life. Just as the night gives way to the morning, challenges will pass, leaving behind opportunities for growth and renewal. Embrace these cycles, knowing that within each challenge lies the seed of a new beginning. Remember, you are not merely a passenger in the journey of life, but a co-creator of your own destiny. The choices you make, the actions you take, and the dreams you hold close are the brushstrokes that paint the canvas of your tomorrow. Don't be afraid to follow your passions, to chase your dreams, and to leave your unique mark on the world. As you rest now, may it be with the comforting thought that you are part of something much larger than yourself, part of the grand tapestry of life that stretches across time. And when you awaken, may it be with a renewed sense of purpose, ready to embrace the adventures that await you, and to shape the world according to your deepest aspirations. Thank you for gracing this space with your presence. If you found solace or inspiration in these words, I invite you to share this experience with others. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity, touching countless lives and making the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. Until our paths cross again, may your journey be filled with moments of beauty, joy, and profound meaning. Until then, dream big, believe in your journey, and hold on to the magic that makes life truly extraordinary.